The balance of market power. Let's check that out. And we have one of our specially generated signals over here. Now out on the daily, looking at GE, we can see those massive pullbacks. Let's look at something else on our list. Let's look at AMD here. We can see when we have a dip, in this this lined graph here, this indicator. And there's a jump in price. Okay. Now this balance of market power let's see here. It goes on a 0 to a 100%. So it doesn't go on a 0 line, it goes on a 50% line. Okay. Let's see GameStop here. I'm going to check out that pullback. And when it goes up, I mean, it goes up and stays bullish. And OBLN. Okay. Let's check out the 4-hour. Alright. That was a pullback into the green. Pull back into the red here when price goes up. Pull back into the red here, price goes up some. And pull back, price goes up some. Price really shoots up here. Okay. BlackBerry. You can see the same thing happens. Okay. And we got Neo here. Alright. So we have to look for the days that are, pullbacks. Those are your best buying opportunities. And price goes up. Here was another one of those pullbacks. So we can expect price to go up, and it did. Looks like that's kind of a bit of a staggered move, though. 15-minute chart. Yeah, if we wanted to day trade this, or even, swing trade it for a couple days or a couple weeks, then we'd want to do like a 10-day, 30-minute chart, check that out, then decide how it, trades. And come out to the 1-hour chart. There we go. It's a little smoother, but maybe let's smooth it out even a little more. Okay. With some Renko bars. Alright, so I like it. Now we can see when we're bullish and we're bearish, and it's based on a Renko bar system. So let's take our day out to say 360, and we can do 50 ticks. And this is Neo. Okay. So now we can really see those pullbacks within our indicators. okay? This is going to help us trade better. So we can use this stuff to build our, watch lists. See, check out Jivo. And it's still building. It's still trying to gain. Okay. And out of all of the stocks that are Arun bullish for the weekly and daily, AMC's the only one that showed up on one of those lists. The weekly new. Okay. And that's because it has finally hit a low. Hit a low back here. And then it is nowhere even near done its run. So it's probably going to come back up. It could come back up to, say, this, $8 range. But keep in mind, this is price action, not time. So for time, that's still maybe a good bit away. We might be well into February before we see another $7 high. So hopefully it'll be some good trading on the way up. So let's go put that into a Renko bar. And let's take it all the way down to, say, a 5-tick range or a 10-tick range. And now we'll really be able to see those moves. And let's do a 3-month. There we go. So in the past 3 months, this is how, we've managed to trade. Alright. So it looks like it's ready to have another move. Yep, it sure does. Alright, let's see. CMO... -35 on the weekly. We've got Kellogg's. Okay, recently hit its bottom, so we know that it's going to be going back for a new high. And KMB. Okay. Let's change that to a 50-tick. Much better. Here's our high. Here's our low. Now we can start trading with these, and if we wanted to get even, fancier with it, let's add that, and add that, hit apply and OK, and now we have a fancy arrow to tell us when we need to make our moves. So that is an awesome Renko bar setup using the balance of market power also to your advantage, and a little bit of the Arun indicator. Everybody can benefit from learning some of the Arun indicator. So definitely do that. But this balance of market power here, this really seems to work to tell you when things start to get going in the direction you want them to. Of course, you may want them to go down, which, even still, it shows you where the top is and you know where to short to. Okay. See if we get any of these three, particular stocks or scans. See if anything comes up. Okay. Some of these that seem like they're ready to fire off Dover. Okay. RL, Ralph Lauren. Okay, and it did fire a up signal. Very good. So that might be one I need to look into. Capital One, they are in their pullback. So let's let them finish their pullback, and then we'll look into Capital One once it fires a buy signal. Hilton Worldwide. Oh, what did I do? Zoom out, daily. Okay. Still pulling back, not quite yet a buy signal. On the 4 hour, we're starting to get buy signals though, but overall a pullback, so no, not yet. Looks like UHS, Universal Health. Still pulling back. TXT. Okay, it would have been a good run to get in on, but it's way overextended now. We must wait. Alright, this one is in a nice pullback, and that is starting to end, so let's look at US Bancor as a possible buying opportunity here very soon. And HCA. Okay, HCA Healthcare. Okay. Recently had a healthy pullback. Okay, still some green. A healthy pullback, some good buying signals. Okay. Alright. So these are ones that seem like they're getting ready to fire long. Based on a particular scan. And this is on the daily. So these are stocks that are pulling back. All right. That's probably about all you can really, see in the balance of the market power. I just like having this extra indicator because I know it's also a very good buy signal. So when this one goes up as well, I need to add this to the list of indicators I've got saved online. That way everybody can get it. But these arrows, they're just custom, or they're just standard in thinkorswim. They're not custom at all. But I like the way it plots it out for you. So, I hope you learned something from this video. Hit that like button. Subscribe, all that jazz. But overall, I hope we at least are able to make some money with this video. So, make some money, and I'll see you on the next one.